Hello and welcome to my living room and a new eNet smart home video. Voice assistants have been the talk of the town for some time now. No wonder, no other product category has achieved this kind of growth in recent years. The reason is simply because we can use our smartphone and voice to easily ring up a best friend. Or we can use our navigation system in the car to program a new destination by voice without taking our eyes off the road. So why not put these advantages to use in our own four walls? This makes me all the happier because I can now show you how easy it is to link your existing eNet smart home system to an Amazon Alexa-enabled end device. Using your voice, not only can you switch your lights on and off, but if the light is dimmable, you can also set the brightness. And opening and closing your blinds by voice is no problem at all either. In addition, it is possible to use your voice to call up scenes created in your eNet Smart Home app. If you are wondering how scenes work in the eNet Smart Home app, please have a look at one of my other videos. Let me display the link for you now. By the way, voice assistants always require an internet connection. And one more thing, controlling your home by voice isn't everyone's cup of tea. So always make sure to also include conventional eNet push-button sensors in the plan, since they always remain functional if the internet happens to be down. In order to also be able to use voice control in your own four walls, the following 5 criteria must be met. First of all, your eNet Smart Home server needs to have at least version 2.2.1 software. Second, you need a smartphone with the current eNet Smart Home app. Third, a My eNet user account with remote access, eNet Smart Home Remote activated. Fourth, the eNet server is permanently connected to your internet. And fifth, an Alexa-enabled device or the Alexa app with activated eNet Smart Home skill, as well as an Amazon user account. I'm assuming that you already have an active My eNet user account. So we can get started by linking this user account with the eNet Smart Home skill for Amazon Alexa. Let me show you how that works on my mobile phone. First up, we need the Amazon Alexa app. You'll find this in your App Store free of charge. Please download this, and after starting it up, you'll be prompted to link this Alexa app to your Amazon user account. Now all we need is the eNet Smart Home skill for Amazon Alexa. You can download this in the Alexa app in the Skills and Games section. Basically, a skill is nothing but an app. You can download it and then you're all set. Now we'll start the Amazon Alexa app. And here's the installed eNet Smart Home skill. The text displayed in red now prompts us to link this to our My eNet user account. So we tap this and then have to activate it. We are redirected to a page where we are requested to enter our user data. So we enter our email address and password. To finish, we confirm our entries with the Login button. Now the Amazon Alexa account is linked to the My eNet user account. Now you can tap Finish and the function to start Discover Devices. Amazon will now look for your eNet Smart Home devices, which may take a moment or two. Great! Our Alexa app has now found 5 new eNet Smart Home devices here at home. That's all there's to it. And now you can proceed to operate your eNet Smart Home devices using your voice. Alexa, turn on the light in the living room.
Okay.
If you aren't happy with one or the other designation of the eNet Smart Home devices found, it's absolutely no trouble to change this in the Amazon Alexa app on your own. Let me use the phone again to show you how this works. You'll see the Devices button in the bottom section. This will provide us with an overview of all the eNet Smart Home devices found. That's why we'll tap All Devices in the top right. In this list, you can see all of our eNet smart home devices found. I'll use Living Room TV as an example to show you how easy it is to change the program name. To do so, tap the gear wheel icon in the top right corner and then Edit Name. Now we can assign the eNet smart home device a new name. In my case, I'll opt for the designation Table. Please make sure not to use any special characters or numbers. Now I can switch on my lamp by the designation Living Room Table. In the future, if you want to integrate other new eNet smart home functions in your system, then of course you have to ask Alexa to find new devices. I'll take care of this for you now. Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery.
The following voice commands are currently available. Alexa, turn on/off light. Alexa, set light to, for instance, 50%. Alexa, brighten or dim light. Alexa, set blind to 80%. Alexa, activate the scene Movie Night. While we're talking about scenes, using the Alexa app you can easily create so-called routines, and they're truly ingenious. The best thing is that you can create these routines yourself in the Alexa app. Unlike eNet smart home scenes, we're even able to integrate smart home devices from other manufacturers in this routine. For example, when you get up in the morning, you just have to say, "Alexa, good morning." And for instance, the bedroom light turns on with a brightness of 50%, your blinds open, and your coffee machine in the kitchen turns itself on and makes you a delicious cappuccino. Let's make a routine like this one together. In the Alexa app, we open the menu here in the top left corner. Here you can see the Routines item. Select the plus icon to create a new routine of this kind. We opt for the item When This Happens. In this case, we select Voice, and now we can define the activation phrase ourselves. In our example, it's Good morning. We proceed to the next step and can now add actions. In the Smart Home section, we can find our eNet smart home devices by choosing All Devices. And I said I wanted to have the bedroom blinds set to 0%, which means that I want them to open, so I moved the slider to the 0 position. We add another action. Just like before, choose Smart Home and All Devices, but now select our bedroom ceiling lamp. This is to be set to 50%. And the last action was our coffee machine, so let's look for our coffee machine in our Smart Home devices. This is to turn itself on, and then we confirm this too and save this routine. Now it takes a few seconds, and then we will be able to call up this routine using our voice. Now, if you're wondering, what about the Tado heating system control, then rest assured it's no problem at all. Simply download the Tado skill and you'll also be able to control your heating system by voice. Just like I already explained about the routines, you can of course integrate the Tado heating system control in these as well. And then it'll be part of your good morning routine. If you no longer want the link between your eNet smart home system and the Amazon Alexa voice control service, then simply deactivate the eNet smart home skill in the Alexa app. I hope this has given you a good impression of how easy integration is and what options voice control has in store for you in the future. Have fun following these steps and see you soon. Alexa, start relaxing time.
Hooray!